Hello, Supermoms! Today's video is all about breastfeeding tips and a complete pump tutorial. Let's make your breastfeeding journey easier and more comfortable. Stay tuned. Section 1. Why use a breast pump? Breast pumps help mothers in many ways. They allow you to store milk, relieve pain from engorgement, and share feeding time with your partner or caregiver. It's a lifesaver for working moms and those who need a little rest. Section 2. Types of pumps. There are two main types of pumps, manual and electric. Manual pumps are affordable, lightweight, and silent. Electric pumps are faster and best for frequent use. Choose one that fits your lifestyle and comfort. Section 3. Step-by-step tutorial. Let's learn how to use a breast pump. Step 1. Wash your hands and clean all pump parts. Step 2. Find a comfortable, quiet space. Step 3. Place the flange over your nipple, centered properly. Step 4. Start with gentle suction. Then slowly increase to a comfortable